Hello and welcome back to FooDooLoo, your go-to channel for exploring diverse culinary traditions from around the world. Today, we're taking a delicious journey into the heart of East Africa, to the beautiful country of Uganda. Uganda is known for its rich culture, vibrant landscapes, and of course, its mouth-watering traditional cuisine. Join us as we dive into the flavors and history of some iconic Ugandan meals. Let us know what you'd like to see in the comments, and remember to like and subscribe. Ugandan cuisine. Ugandan cuisine is a curtain of influences, reflecting the country's diverse ethnic groups and bountiful agricultural resources. From the shores of Lake Victoria to the peaks of the Rwenzori Mountains, Uganda's culinary legacy is as varied as its geography. Staple foods include plantains, millet, sorghum, sweet potatoes, cassava, and a variety of beans and legumes. The use of fresh, locally sourced ingredients is a hallmark of Ugandan cooking, making every meal a fresh and wholesome experience. Matoke, the heart of Ugandan cuisine. Let's start with the star of Ugandan cuisine, Matoke. Matoke, also known as ibitoke, is a type of plantain that is a staple food in Uganda. It is usually peeled, boiled, or steamed, and then mashed. The dish is often served as a main course and can be accompanied by various sauces and stews. To prepare matoke, you'll need green plantains such as matoke, lemon juice to prevent browning, salt, and ghee, also known as clarified butter. These steps are as follows. Peel the plantains and place them in water with lemon juice, then boil the plantains until tender. Drain and mash the plantains, adding butter or ghee and salt to taste. Matoke is commonly served with a groundnut sauce, which is made by simmering ground peanuts with onions, tomatoes, and sometimes spices like cayenne pepper. This combination is not only hearty and delicious, but also a fantastic source of protein and essential nutrients. Luwombo, a royal feast. Next on our list is Luwombo, a traditional Ugandan dish with royal roots. Luwombo is a delicacy that involves steaming meat, fish, or mushrooms in banana leaves, which imparts a unique and fragrant flavor to the food. The dish is traditionally served during special occasions and gatherings. To make Luwombo, you'll need chicken, beef, or fish, banana leaves, onions, tomatoes, garlic, and ginger, spices such as curry powder, black pepper, and salt. Peanut butter is optional. To complete the dish, follow these steps. Prepare your meat by seasoning it with spices, garlic, and ginger. Wrap the seasoned meat in banana leaves, ensuring it's well sealed. Steam the packages in a large pot for several hours. Luwombo is often enjoyed with a side of matoke or rice, soaking up the rich and flavorful juices from the meat and banana leaves. The dish is a testament to Uganda's innovative cooking techniques and deep connection to its agricultural resources. Posho and beans, the everyday staple. Posho, also known as ugali or sima in other parts of Africa, is a staple food made from maize flour. It's a versatile and filling dish that forms the backbone of many Ugandan meals. Posho is typically served with beans, making a simple yet nutritious combination. To prepare posho, you'll need maize flour, water, and salt. Easy steps as follows. Boil water in a pot. Gradually add maize flour, stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Cook until the mixture thickens and pulls away from the sides of the pot. For the beans, you'll need dried beans, preferably red kidney beans, onions, tomatoes, and garlic with salt and cooking oil. Follow these steps. Soak the beans overnight and boil until tender. In a separate pan, sauté onions, garlic, and tomatoes. Add the cooked beans and simmer for 20 minutes, and you're all done. This combination is not only filling, but also rich in protein and essential nutrients, making it a daily staple in many Ugandan households. Rolex, the Ugandan street food sensation. Now, let's talk about a dish that has taken Ugandan street food by storm, the Rolex. No, not the watch. In Uganda, a Rolex is a popular street food consisting of an omelet rolled inside a chapati. It's quick, tasty, and perfect for a meal on the go. To make a Rolex, you'll need eggs, tomatoes, onions, and green peppers, some salt and pepper, chapati, which is flatbread, and cooking oil. Simple steps are as follows. Beat the eggs and mix with chopped tomatoes, onions, and green peppers, then season with salt and pepper. Heat oil in a pan and pour in the egg mixture, cooking until it forms an omelet. Place the omelet on a chapati and roll it up. Rolex is not only beloved for its taste, but also for its simplicity and affordability, making it a favorite among students and workers alike. Ugandan tea, a soothing beverage. No Ugandan meal would be complete without a soothing cup of Ugandan tea. Ugandan tea is often enjoyed with milk and sugar, creating a rich and comforting beverage that's perfect for any time of day. To prepare Ugandan tea, you'll need black tea leaves or tea bags, water, milk, and sugar. First, boil water and add the tea leaves or tea bags. Simmer for a few minutes, then add milk and sugar to taste. Finally, strain and serve hot. Ugandan tea is not just a drink, it's a cultural experience, often enjoyed during social gatherings or as a relaxing end to a meal. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure through Uganda. From the hearty Matoke and Luwombo to the everyday comfort of Posho and beans and the street food delight of Rolex, Ugandan cuisine is a vibrant expression of the country's rich cultural heritage and natural bounty. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration and feel inspired to try these traditional Ugandan dishes in your own kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to FooDooLoo for more delicious journeys around the world. Until next time, happy cooking!